Trump's tariffs were just repealed by the Supreme Court. There's a big military buildup in the Middle East. We're seeing a lot of planes. We know there's many aircraft carriers over there. Trump has given Iran 10 days to come to the table for the nuclear talks. What's going to happen? Here's what I think is going to happen. I hope it doesn't happen, but I think it is going to happen. We've sent a lot of troops over there. There's a lot going on. Iran has had a hit on the president. We have a lot of history with Iran, a lot of negative history with Iran, and no doubt tensions are going to increase. I think the Olympics have been the only reason we haven't moved before now. If we attack and it's like Venezuela, which I do not think it will be like that, companies like Palantir, their stock will increase dramatically. I still think Palantir would be a good buy no matter which way this goes. Reminder, this video is not financial advice. This is my strategy. This is what I'm doing. Do your own due diligence, but hopefully you get some ideas from this that you can take away. But historically, if a war breaks out, the stock market does feel that 3 to 5% pullback. It's usually short-lived, so that would be a great opportunity to potentially buy the dip. My fear, though, is that it will not be a quick Venezuela. It'll be something much longer. No doubt, Iran has some allies, and I think that can make this whole thing really messy from a geopolitical standpoint. So what do? Well, I mentioned the market's going to pull back. You watch the pullback. You invest in companies that support the mission over there. So maybe you invest in defense contractors, invest in gold and silver because of the uncertainty. They're more than likely going to go up. Bitcoin, I think it's still kind of in that dead cat bounce phase. I think we're going to see it go lower. I don't know that I'd invest in it or recommend it today. I would like to tell you invest in Bitcoin. I'm still not doing that. I'm still waiting for it to go lower because I do believe that is coming. And oil. Oil seems like the obvious choice. We're talking about the Middle East. I think you can definitely look to invest in companies that do cybersecurity. Most wars that are today happen in the cyber realm or have some cyber flavor associated with them. And past the oil stocks, even any energy stock, because those rates are probably going to continue to go up if there is a war. And if it's not a short-lived war, invest in agricultural things, fertilizer, grain, anything tied to those, because supply chains will only get disrupted more. Something else that I'm worried about this all causing is sticky recession, that stagflation that I always warned about. With our economy like it is right now, this could be something that really kind of like burdens our economy. I hope I'm wrong. I hope everybody comes to the table and we get to a great place and we can negotiate on all this. But I think at the moment, the only thing saving this is the Olympics. I need you to really start thinking about being prepared for when that recession comes. Whether it's the conflict in Iran that escalates or whether something else happens, we are due for one. If you have a lot of debt and we go into recession, that is a terrible time to be in debt. Comment down below. Let me know what you think is going to happen.